we are going to learn about how to pin folders in Microsoft Word for easy access. You go to Start, you type Word, you open the Word application. Okay, it's a blank document. Now, so in most cases, you when you want to open any file, you just go to File and you go to Open. Okay, whatever you open will remain in the history here, but what will happen, it will keep on changing, and sometimes what you leave here you will not find it. Okay, you will not find it again, or you find it changed. So now to pin the folders, you just go to, by default it loads in document, but in documents, but what you want to up to pin the folder, you just go to folders, you will see what is the current one. Like for example, this one, downloads. If you want to pin it, you just right click on it and say pin to list. When you say pin to list, it will go to the pinned folders area. That is how we do it. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe. It will help my channel to grow. Thank you. Bye bye.